I am here today to try the Laid by Lira, to lay down this 4C hair, honey, because you know, not every product out here does it for us.
I have heard that this product lays your edges, it does not flake, it is not hard, it's not crunchy, it's not crispy.
All right, here's the product.
So this is the packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. I really love the iridescence. I think it's fun, it's flirty. So I'm definitely in love with it. She got me on that already.
Look at how good it looks. So simple, straight to the point. She looks bomb.
It's super glamorous and I love the holographic look. This scrolling is really pretty, and look, here's a little cartoon Lira.
Inside, let's see what we have.
Let's see what's inside.
Oh yes, I can travel with this. We have a mirror in here. Let me see, I think I look cute. Okay, I look cute.
First, the hair gel.
Non-greasy, provides a strong hold for all hair types, smooths and conditions hair, and it's easy to wash out. So I love that this is going to be easy to wash out, so I don't have to use any crazy removal.
Clear, it's not going to leave any color that contrasts with your color.
I'm super into packaging, so I like to look at all the details, and they really did a good job with this.
Okay, that's really creamy. It is not super thick and it is so manageable.
It's a pretty big jar, which is great because usually the jars are smaller.
We have this silk scarf, which is definitely an essential for at night. Lay this slick bun down.
We have the edge brush for your baby hairs. It has a curve to it.
Usually I use a toothbrush and it gets the job done, but look at the angulation in this brush. Oh my God.
This will be so much easier to do any kind of edges. You can do swirls and curls and all of that.
We have a mirror, we have this silk scarf, which is definitely an essential for it. We have our hair gel, our edge control, and you definitely need a styling tool. So I love that she thought about all of this stuff. So I'm definitely ready to try this out.
Wow, wait till I get this gel on my hair. Wow, it feels good, the bristles are strong.
Oh, this is nice, y'all. So it keeps it shiny, it keeps them all together.
Oh, I love that. Oh, that is really laying them.
It's kind of always gives me a bit of a pain, but this is doing a good job. I mean, look at it right away, like already looks amazing.
It is so smooth and so manageable and so easy to use.
I've gone through so many hair care products that I have to use a lot when I first apply it, and I end up having to run to the store for more. But this, you can tell that you only need a little bit goes a long way.
It's nice and hard. It looks like it's gonna stay by itself, but I'm gonna use the scarf just to make sure that it stays out throughout the day.
I mean, it looks super natural. That's what I love about this product right off the bat. Very natural, and it's not sticky at all. And you can kind of see from the side, it's literally just flattened them out. Nothing's sticking up at all.
After I've done my edges, they look really good.
Laid by Lira, slaying these edges, honey.
I am in love with this. Oh my goodness. Baby hairs laid by Lira.
Alrighty. And there you have it. Edges snatched and laid by Lira.